It is a very blessed day dahil guys, na-monetize na ang aking YouTube channel! Yay! And at last guys, natupad ang aking pangarap maging YouTuber! Yay! And first of all, I would like to thank God for another wonderful blessing. And thank you po. And hindi namin to guys mararating kung wala ang guidance ni Papa Jesus. And of course, sa lahat po na sumuporta sa akin, especially my family, my friends, and my subscribers. Maraming salamat po. And Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. So for today guys, we are going to unbox a latest Jordan 1 High. So this pair belongs to my uncle and he was able to cut this for retail. Wow! Actually guys, mahirap makabili ng Jordan 1 High dahil po sa mga resellers. Pero luckily guys, nakakuha ang aking tito ng isang pair. So guys, let's open the box. Wow guys! Ang ganda ng sapatos nito! Ayos! Wow guys! So this sneaker is called the Jordan 1 High Bloodline. So this is my uncle's first pair. At sobrang saya niya guys. Dahil nagka-high siya. Dati po kasi guys, mapapansin nyo, meron siyang mga mid sa shoe rack. Pero ito guys, high to. Kaya lang, yung mid mas malaki dito sa high. Alright, let's first talk about the sneaker. So this is called Jordan 1 High Bloodlines because of the red outlines on every panel of the sneaker. Wow! So this colorway was released on Black Friday alongside with the Yeezy 350 V2 Black and other sneakers. Kaya siguro hindi masyadong pumatok sa mga resellers. And also, there's already a lot of Jordan 1 Highs in similar color that was released this year. Like the Jordan 1 Gym Red, not for resale, Sports, Illustrated, Defiance, and the Panda. That's why it became easier to cop. So with that said, let's get a closer look at this new. On the mudguard, we have this black tumbled leather with red outlines. Next, moving on to the toe box, we got this white tumbled leather with perforations for breathability. Moving up, we have this white tongue with the Nike patch colored in black and red. This sneaker actually comes with two pairs of extra laces, one in white and the other one is in black, with printing of "Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly." Pretty awesome. Here's a look with the printed face. Next up, on the mid-foot section, we have this white tumbled leather and a leather Nike swoosh with red outlines. Going to the heel area, we got this black leather extending to the collar with red outlines as well, and the Jordan Wings logo debossed and inked in black. And lastly, we got this insole printed with "Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly," and the usual Jordan 1 outsole in the color red. Alright, so the leather on this Jordan 1 High is is a buttery and soft tumbled leather. And tinan nyo nga guys, sobrang soft ng leather and high quality pa. Ayos! The red outlines which makes the sticker map is made of felt and not leather. And I think that's the reason a lot of people slept on this. And why the resale market is pretty low. Most of people were not fan of these red outlines. But to me, that's what makes this Jordan 1 really special. Well, even if it did not perform well in abroad, it still sold out in the Philippines because Filipinos love their Jordans. Whether it's a low, it's a mid, and it's a high. Alright, so with that said, let me lace this up and show you the Onfeet look.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Okay guys, kita nyo naman, sobrang forma nito. Tignan nyo nga guys, so itong Jordan 1 Bloodline. Please, and I hope you watch this video until the end. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on Instagram on Last Minute Vlogs. Please follow me on Facebook on Last Minute Vlogs. Next video guys, we are going to unbox this collection of Lego. At Merry Christmas po. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye.